Hi, we're Project Pi. PI stands for Platform Interface. We're developing a hardware user interface for the next generation smart TVs. Just as a smartphone was a phone with PC capabilities, a smart TV is a TV with PC capabilities. The problem with smart TVs is that there's not an effective method of controlling PC capabilities over in the lean-back experience of the couch, as simple as that sounds. Now the PCs had the mouse, mobile devices had touch, and those user interfaces allowed the respective ecosystems to explode. Back in the analog days, all you really needed was a $3 remote to control your TV functions. But now with smart TVs and the added capabilities it hopes to offer, TVs are now being limited to what the controllers can do. Now we're developing a user interface that not only satisfies user experience, but also developer experience by transitioning PC capabilities over to the lean-back experience. And that's what makes our input device unique. Now, until now, who really had to do more than channel surf or volume change? Gamers, which is the only reason why that demographic is associated with this design. Now, behind this complex and fast-paced attitude that the gaming industry has created lies this purely ergonomic design meant to fit in your hands for hours at a time, specifically in the lean-back experience. But instead of having this button layout specifically geared towards gaming scenarios, we take into consideration smart TV functions. PCs, phones, tablets, and now TV. Our input device enables TV platform to successfully enter into the end screen solution. And we're going to show you how.
For this demo, we're going to use Windows 8 platform. The reason being, it's an example of an end screen solution. This was Microsoft's attempt at unifying their platforms, which include their PCs, mobile devices, and soon-to-be TVs. So to begin, one of the basic criteria for Smart TV is the web browser. But surprisingly, there's no Smart TV or input device that can effectively control such a basic criterion. Whenever I get on the internet, there are certain websites that I ritually go to: Facebook, ESPN Tennis, and Twitter. And to save a shortcut, it's as easy as holding it down like a car radio station. And what's the internet without social networking? To input text, simply turn over the controller to a mini QWERTY keyboard and type. Then you have your basic internet function, such as back, forward, home, and favorites. And that's pretty much covers the basic needs of the internet. And you'll notice that it can all be controlled with one side or one hand. A supporting internet demo is available upon request. But the internet is just one of the criteria for Smart TV. Another truly important criterion is the app market. The health of the app market is tied to the freedom of developers, which are being stifled by the input devices out in the market. The number one category in the app market is gaming. We'll show you an example of casual gaming to make a point. Cut the Rope revolves around basic mouse functionalities and deals with simple physics. But even these basic concept games are difficult with remote or keyboard designs. Natural user interfaces might be efficient for certain applications, but they're only efficient in those certain applications and fail in a universal sense. Natural user interfaces are an important aspect of Smart TV. However, their role is to support the user interface. What we're looking for and what we're missing is this main input device. Since we are dealing with the TV, here's an example of video content. You can play, and with the same button, you can pause, change the volume. What was back and forward for internet mode intuitively becomes rewind and fast forward for video content. And when watching TV, the scroll can be used to surf through channels, and the home button can be used to view the TV guide. Or, of course, you can as easily move your mouse to control an on-screen interface. So there it is, a brief demo of our device, and there are more videos available upon request. Our controller as a whole isn't an incremental change to other input devices, but rather a leap in efficiency. Our uniqueness is compared to the redesign from smartphones to tablets. The difference between smartphone and a tablet are their screen sizes. This was a redesign of an existing technology that made it a revolutionary new product. Ours is a redesign and convergence of existing technologies that allow the TV to become a revolutionary new product. Thank you for watching. This was Project Platform Interface.